students, welcome to our new class. Today we are continuing our chapter 2, Globe-Latitudes and Longitudes, part 2. Important parallels of latitudes. Besides the equator, 0 degree, the north pole 90 degree north and the south pole 90 degree south, there are 4 important parallels of latitudes. First one, Tropic of Cancer, 23.5 degree north in the northern hemisphere. Second one, Tropic of Capricorn, 23.5 degrees south in the southern hemisphere. Third one, Arctic Circle at 66.5 degree north of the equator. Fourth one, Antarctic Circle at 66.5 degrees south of the equator. Important parallels of latitudes. Besides the equator, 0 degree, the north pole 90 degree north and the south pole 90 degree south, there are 4 important parallels of latitudes. First one, Tropic of Cancer, 23.5 degree north in the northern hemisphere. Second one, Tropic of Capricorn, 23.5 degrees south in the southern hemisphere. Third one, Arctic Circle at 66.5 degree north of the equator. Fourth one, Antarctic Circle at 66.5 degrees south of the equator. Heat zones of the Earth. The midday sun is exactly overhead at least once a year on all latitudes in between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. This area therefore receives the maximum heat and is called the torrid zone. The midday sun never shines overhead on any latitude beyond the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. The angle of the sun's rays goes on decreasing towards the poles. As such, the areas bounded by the Tropic of Cancer and the Arctic Circle in the northern hemisphere and the Tropic of Capricorn and the Antarctic Circle in the southern hemisphere have moderate temperatures. These are therefore called temperate zones. Areas lying between the Arctic Circle and the North Pole in the northern hemisphere and the Antarctic Circle and the South Pole in the southern hemisphere are very cold. It is because here the sun does not rise much above the horizon. Therefore, its rays are always slanting and provide less heat. These are therefore called frigid zones. That means very cold. Areas lying between the Arctic Circle and the North Pole in the northern hemisphere and the Antarctic Circle and the South Pole in the southern hemisphere are very cold. It is because here the sun does not rise much above the horizon. Therefore, its rays are always slanting and provide less heat. These are therefore called frigid zones. That means very cold.